Hi guys, welcome back to AVCLabs channel. Let's check out the magic of 1080p enhancement on Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Since this classic animated film was made back in 1937, the original quality isn't great. It looks pretty blurry by today's standards. But that's where AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI comes in. With just a few clicks, it can upscale your old 480p video to a crisp, clear 1080p. First, open the program and load your low-resolution video. On the right side, head over to the presets section. The easiest way to enhance your video is to simply select the Upgrade to HD Solution option. Now choose an AI model. There are several options depending on your needs, but the standard model usually works well. If the video has blurred faces, turn on the face enhancement feature. You can also adjust other effect intensities based on your preference. You can also hit preview to check out how the 1080p video looks in real time. Once everything is set, click Start Processing and let the AI do its magic. When it's done, open the output folder. You've got yourself a stunning 1080p video.